What's up guys, and welcome to the third time I've recorded this, but this time, third time's a charm, the PC Panel Mini. This is a super cool device. It is a hardware interface for your volume mixer in Windows. It has buttons, which are very satisfying. And the knobs are just potentiometers that go in almost a full circle, probably like 300 degrees. But yeah, it's super handy if you are changing the levels of different programs or output devices, and you switch between them a lot to adjust the volume, stuff like that. Very, very cool. You can assign macros to these buttons, which is super handy, and you can customize what all these do completely. Let's take a look at the software because this is just super cool. You got to plug it in for it to recognize it and change the settings. So I'm gonna plug it in right there. Boom, pops up. So yesterday I was having trouble getting Spotify working, but now it is working. So I have that mapped to the volume 3 button. I'm not sure what I did to get that working, but yesterday it wasn't working. Now it is. Maybe I just needed to restart my computer. I'm not sure. But I have volume 2 mapped to Discord, volume 3 to Spotify, volume 4 is my browser, and volume 1 I've been trying to get working with the Xbox chat volume, but that is a Windows Store install, and so it's kind of iffy. I'm still working on it. I think I can get it working. It'll just take some trial and error. But without further ado, let's look at the settings of this thing because it is super cool. The button. So you just click the knob you want to modify, super intuitive, and you can click the tabs button, dial, and then settings. Settings is just for the actual interpretation of the turning action. So you can do logarithmic scaling and then adjust your trim values. So if you just want it to adjust between 90 and 100, you can set that right here. But let's go back to the button. You can set it up to do a keystroke, which all kinds of stuff. Especially if you pair this with auto hotkey. Very cool. Shortcut, you can launch a program, music control, you can kill a specific program, you can change the volume of a sound device instead of a sound source, you can toggle through devices, mute a specific app, mute a device like an output, and you can have it switch between profiles that you set up right here. So like right now I'm editing profile 1. I don't have any other profiles, so I don't need to set that, but I usually have this on, let's see, what is this, knob 1. I don't care about that one because I'm trying to use that for chat and I don't need to mute chat. This one is Discord, and so let me see if it actually works. I'm gonna hit that button. So it pulls up Discord. Very, very cool. So that works, and it also adjusts the volume. You can see there in the volume mixer. And then if you were watching closely, you see that you can actually have the RGB dim along with the volume control. Super, super cool. Volume 3 I have mapped to Spotify, like I said, which is working now. And then volume 4 I have on the browser. So if I'm watching videos, listening to music, chatting, I can control all that while I'm in game without having to exit out. So yeah, you saw the lighting. You can change it to either a volume gradient or just a static color, and then you can select through the knobs right there. Or you can just go full body. I'm not gonna click on that because I think it resets your settings. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But you can go and just say, hey, this is what all the dials are, and just do all the colors the same. But super handy device. I have been very happy with it. So, there's a couple caveats. It seems to have trouble recognizing programs that aren't installed in program files or a location that needs additional privileges to access. So the Microsoft Store, when you download apps from there, sometimes it has trouble recognizing those. But right now, I've been able to get everything working except Xbox Chat. Xbox Chat. I said Xbox so many times, it just sounds weird to say it now. Xbox Chat. But anyway, overall, for a lower volume product like this, with a smaller development team, I am super happy with it, and I am very glad that I got it. It has already made things a lot simpler. Like I'm watching a video while I play Minecraft, my brother hops on, I can just pause it by, you know, hitting that button, or if I just want to turn it down, just reach over and grab that knob instead of, you know, exiting, pulling up volume mixer, lowering, or going over to the other program and lowering the volume there. This just controls all of it without having to do anything. But anyway, I hope this video was interesting. If this looks like it solves a problem that you have, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you plan on using it for. If you have one, let me know, and let me know what you think. I did have a question that I sent to customer service, or to their contact us page, and I got a reply the next day, so they're pretty responsive. But yeah, very pleased with it. I'm happy that I got it, and if this looks like something that might be useful to you, I'd highly recommend it. You can get it at getpcpanel.com. I'll put the link down in the description. This isn't sponsored. They didn't ask me to do this. I bought this with my own money, and I'm doing this video just because I really like the product. But anyway, be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace.